Hello guys, and welcome to the 2026 Toronto Auto Show. We are so excited here at Forbes to be down at the auto show and it's showing off all the exciting new models. I've got an exclusive opportunity to be here with all of the new models here at the dealership, and I'm gonna give you guys that exclusive first look that if you have any questions about the new models, and if you're ultimately in the market for a brand new family SUV, of course, you've already heard of the 2026 RAV4, you know we're redesigning it. So guys, let's show you the models, show you what Tyler's been working on, and guys, I'm really excited about it. So I'll do my best to talk slowly and actually tell you guys some good facts. So. One big thing difference here in 2026, if you guys aren't aware, first and foremost, the 2026 RAV4 is all hybrid. See you later, ICE engines, we've gone all hybrid. We still do have our plug-in option as well, but the big thing is that that gas engine is completely gone. One of the most exciting things for us is the 2026 RAV4 is still made here in Canada. We've got our Cambridge plant and the Woodstock plant producing a completely hybrid powertrain, as well as a few Lexus models as well. And then thankfully, our plug-in hybrid is still come from Japan. They've got us taken care of over there in the motherland. So a really good offering here for you guys. And then the big thing, if you guys aren't aware, Taylor's come up with a really good system to show you guys the new packages, the new lines. So I've got all three sort of trim levels behind me, and if you've been peeking online, this might make some sense to you. So directly in behind me, that is the Brown Sugar Limited RAV4. That is the core line of RAV4s. So that's the ones that a lot of you guys are used to, your LE, your XLE, and the Limited. So kind of your standard lines, you know, with the soft tech seating, a small roof. Once you get a Limited, you get into your luxury options that you're all used to with ventilated seats, heated seats, with some really nice changes in 2026 that a lot of people are really excited about in that core line. One of the biggest ones is that we've got a panoramic moonroof. So I know a lot of people have been looking for that. It was only ever in the plug-in option, and they have now put it in that core model. So for somebody, a lot of people that XLEs have been our bread and butter forever, that is your core model, okay guys? If you are looking for something that has a little bit of capability, nothing crazy, you might not be an off-roader. I know a lot of people get all, worked up over, I'm not an off-roader, I don't do bush stuff. Maybe you're just a camper, maybe you got a utility trailer, you move around on the weekend, or ultimately, maybe it's just an electric bike that you're putting on the back of the vehicle. Whatever it is, the Woodland is the model for you. So what Toyota has gone and done is taken the core model behind me, and they've made it now into our full off-road model. For some people, this model did exist previously in a different way, but what they've done here in 2026 is a couple really key things. First is they've brought us a hitch, factory installed on this model. It's the exclusive to this model, so you can't do that on any other models. I understand you might want to put a hitch on the other ones. You can do that, but it won't be factory installed. So this one comes factory installed with that hitch. As well, you can see up top, you've got a set of roof racks on there. So this is your model that if you're looking for the ability to have a trailer on there, or you want to put a Thule box, some bikes, something like that up on top, and you're going to spend the money for those accessories, they're now included. So it's a really good price point. At first, it might seem a little daunting. Once you notice that that gap includes a lot of those accessories that you were going to spend thousands for anyway, and they're factory installed, a lot of people really like that. So overall, a well done model. And as well, just the little things, it does come with those AT tires. You've got a little extra exterior, kind of more rugged style finishings. So yeah, a very unique model. And it's cool, like I said, they brought it out to a standalone, and that is now the RAV4 Woodland. And then our Halo over on the side here, this is our absolute beast. The plug-in RAV4, we've had it now since 2021. In 2026, they've made a few large improvements. With the new hybrid powertrain in there, we've now been able to increase range. You're up to about 80 kilometers or so of that plug-in range. As well, we're up to about 320 horsepower, so almost about a 10% power increase over the previous generation. And then one of the biggest upgrades for 2026 for this specific model, guys, is that this model has an NACS charger, and it can accept a Tesla fast charging super network. If you're off on long trips and you want to get that back, the extra torque from the plug-in option, you now have that ability to charge, and especially on a fast charger, you'll get the charge back in just a few minutes. So if you're going to the bathroom, you want to stop at the gas station, show off for the buddies. If you want to get home a little faster, you're tired of your trip and you're just done with it, the fact that you can plug it in quickly, get that charge is really cool. And guys, above all else, we're really excited. That GR in the Taylor world, Gazoo Racing, it's a really big deal that we've got it on the RAV. It's one we've never had it on the RAV, and guys, it brings a lot of, I don't even want to say exclusivity, a lot of rep, a lot of everything. It's a fun car to drive, and in my opinion, it just looks gorgeous. I love what they've done this year. If you have any questions about models, definitely drop a comment down below. As more of them show up at the dealership, we unfortunately haven't seen a single one at the time of this filming, but as they continue to show up, we'll get, of course, tons of videos out here, guys, of all the models. I want to show you guys all the new features, what they're working on. There's a lot of new things in these vehicles, but the biggest thing that I want you guys to remember, if you're searching for a 2026 RAV4, it's a hybrid powertrain we've had for a few years in other models. They're now bringing it to the RAV. So what they're doing is they're upgrading that hybrid system you're used to, giving you even more fuel efficiency. But the biggest thing, guys, it's a very reliable vehicle, gets the family around, it's got space for everything you need, and ultimately, it's just priced right. It's a good sized vehicle that does everything you need. If you guys are in the market for the vehicle, definitely come check out the 2026 RAV4. Like I said, they're gonna be showing up here any day to the dealership here. We'll of course have lots of demos ready for you. And again, if you're after one that fits your personality, Toyota's done a good job to bring one that's perfect for you. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment down below. Let me know, are you a sport guy? Are you somebody that's core? Or maybe you're a woodland type person as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm Nicholas Morrison here from Forbes Waterloo Toyota at the 2026 Auto Show. See you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.